Geez, thanks for stopping that weirdness. That's kind of weird. It is kind of weird. It is. Want to take that off?
And the ocean. Not a full ocean view, but you have them right there. It's a little bit far.
Take that off.
Yeah, it's okay. So what was the price of the finish? With the furniture?
Give it to her when she's in her car seat, so she, or in a stroller, so she plays with it.
You like that? You like to talk to me?
This is the kitchen.
You like to talk?
Yesterday was, I can feel a lot of, conversation.
What do you have to say now? What are you going to talk about now?
Funny. She doesn't do that with me. Are you?
Wow, so this is a master bedroom.
This is your master.
Your belly's hanging out like mine.
Nice bed.
His belly's hanging out.
It makes all the difference in the world. When you have the furniture and the decorations to go with it, you get the real feeling of the house, and I love that. Nice. You can feel it's nice. I don't like the whole system with all the flowers and everything, but you can always get that. What about this?
This is the laundry room.
I'm afraid you're going to break your toes. When you're standing on your toes, I'm going to break them. You're going to break your toes. You're not going to break them. They're okay.
This will be the...
Toes okay.
She makes a nice size. She likes beds that are high. Not me. But yeah.
There's your escape window.
Oh. I'm not too far to something out there.